Complete and Sustainable Relief in Childhood Asthma. Presented by Professor Vidya Balendu Prakash. Awarded by Padma Shri in year 1999. Childhood asthma is the most common chronic disease occurring in children below the age 12 years. Classic symptoms include recurrent episodes of cough, wheezing, chest tightness, and shortness of breath. Symptoms are often episodic and can be triggered by different factors such as upper respiratory tract infections, exercise, exposure to animals, dust, mold, tobacco smoke, aerosols, changes in weather, stress, strong emotional expression, or menses. Symptoms aggravate at night and disrupt sleep. Occurs in children who readily produce inflammatory responses and have high Ig levels. What happens in childhood asthma? The airways in the lungs become inflamed and sensitive. When triggered by irritants like pollen, dust, or cold air, the airways tighten and produce extra mucus, making it difficult to breathe and causing coughing, wheezing, and shortness of breath. Types of childhood asthma: intermittent, mild persistent, moderate persistent, severe persistent. Prevalence and burden: 8.4% or over 6 million of children in the United States have asthma, with about 15% of them having severe asthma. Studies conducted to estimate the prevalence of asthma among children in India have reported a varied prevalence to 18.2%. It is the leading cause of chronic disease and missed school days in children. Before puberty, the rate of asthma incidence, prevalence, and hospitalizations is higher in boys than girls, though this reverses during adolescence. Conventional treatment and limitations. Inhaled corticosteroids, long-term use may cause growth retardation in prepubertal children. Clinical adrenal suppression. Long-acting beta-2 adrenergic agonists, LABA, more expensive and does not reduce the risk of further exacerbations. Common side effects include dizziness, headache, nervousness, tachycardia, palpitations, nausea, and diaphoresis. Leukotriene receptor antagonists, LTRAs, neuropsychiatric disturbances have been reported by some users. Oral corticosteroids may cause sleep disturbances, gastric irritation, hyperglycemia, mood changes, weight gain, osteoporosis. Omalizumab may cause severe allergic reactions, headache, lumps, difficulty in moving, muscle pain and stiffness, joint pain. Immunotherapy, arthritis, chills, constipation, decreased appetite, headache, fatigue, muscle pain, troubled breathing, and sometimes severe allergic and inflammatory reactions are some reported adverse effects. Mepolizumab, headache, injection site reactions, back pain, fatigue, joint pain, muscle stiffness, sore throat, loss of appetite. Childhood asthma and Ayurveda. Any disturbance in normal breathing is termed as Shvasrog. 4 types as per Ayurveda: Maha, Tamak, Urdhva, Shudra. No direct reference for childhood asthma in Ayurvedic texts. There are 12% female and 88% male in our clinical data. History in years. Severity of symptoms. Frequency of episodes. Clinical symptoms. Response to ATP. Ayurvedic intervention. Ayurvedic treatment protocol, ATP, for CA comprises of herbomineral Ayurvedic formulations: A. Swarn Basant Malti 2 mg per kilogram body weight day. B. Imbo 120 mg/kg body weight day. Imbo is a herbomineral formulation used in the treatment of intermittent and persistent allergic rhinitis. It has shown significant immunomodulatory properties. C. Kumar Kalyan Ras, given in some cases, 6 mg/kg body weight day. A regulated protein and fat-rich diet. A regulated lifestyle. Outcome. Patients of CA keep consulting and getting benefited from the treatment. No adverse effects. Only side effect reported is that the patients attain good height at puberty and are the tallest in their family. Future direction. Standardization and development of drug master files of the medicines used. Long-term safety studies. Randomized clinical trials. Pharmacological studies.